If I were to choose the sights, the sounds, the fragrances I most would want to see and hear and smell among all the delights of the open world on a final day on earth, I think I would choose these: the clear, ethereal song of a white-throated sparrow singing at dawn, the smell of pine trees in the heat of the noon, the lonely calling of Canada geese, the sight of a dragonfly glinting in the sunshine, the voice of a hermit thrush far in a darkening woods at evening, and most spiritual and moving of sights, the white cathedral of a cumulus cloud floating serenely in the blue of the sky. Edwin Way Teale.